All right, hello everyone, what's going on? MD14 back here with you, and I'm here with something very, very special. Mind the boxes over there. A lot is going on right now, but I hope all of you are doing good. But speaking about boxes, I got a very special one, actually. Right over, to make sure I'm showing the right side of it. I got this big, big box right over here. No idea who it is from, so I figured we'll open this together. Now, while I am opening this, make sure to like and subscribe. What else? Like and subscribe. Let me know your favorite pizza topping down below. Or, if I think I know what this is, let me know. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out together. This is a big box. All right, it is from my good friends at Logitech. You already know I love Logitech and everything. Let me just hide all that there. I don't think you can see that. It's from my good friends at Logitech. Now my cat is very curious. Now she's gonna show up right now. This is a big box, man. Holy! All right. Ooh, I'm gonna give her this box. I'm sure she's gonna like. Okay, Logitech. What have we? Oh, ladies and gentlemen, in case you didn't know, while I'm recording this, this is May 7th, while I'm recording this, but you may have known a certain day that was May 2nd, and you're probably like, okay, May 2nd, Marcel, I don't get, well, okay. What's that all about? May 2nd is also 502. And if in case you're wondering, you're like, all right, what's the big deal about 502? Logitech has a product called the G502 right over here that you can see right here. One of the best mice ever, well, you know what, I'm saying it, the best mouse I've ever used in my life. G502, right over here that I'm using. This is the X version. Want to make sure, yes, G502, I have multiple versions of these. G502X, best mouse, gaming mouse in the game. Pick one up right now in the description down below. But the reason why I bring that up, this year specifically was a very special year for Logitech, and they outdid themselves a little bit this year because they dropped off this 502 10-year anniversary box. Big box. So you know what, we're gonna check out this bad boy right here. My cat is very eager to be like, Dad, is that a new box for me to play in? Is that something new? Is this for me? Dad? Oh my God, Logitech. You really outdid yourself this time. What in the world? Oh my God. Okay. I gotta be careful with this. Logitech 502, 10 years of innovation. From the beginning, 502 that started in 2014, this is the one I've used, all the way up to the Hero, the X line. Oh my gosh, I remember the Core mouse so much. This is so cool. I'm gonna show you guys a closer look of this. That is so cool. Look at that. That's pretty dope. I'm gonna make sure I'm showing it properly. Which one did you have? Let me know in the comments below. Forget about the pizza comment. Which one did you use before? Jesus Christ. What am I looking at here? I'm at a loss of words right now. This is outstanding. They dropped off a pin right over here. I wish I could show you guys this. Actually, I'll just do this instead. I'll put it back in the box. I almost don't even want to open this box. There's like a G502 pin, and then they have, don't lose that, they also have, let me put this away carefully. They also have a 10-year pin as well. I'll take it out very quickly. Hold on 1 second for you guys right here. A G502 10-year pin as well. This is, I don't even want to open this. This is This is definitely a limited edition. Limited edition situation here. They even have a 502 carrying case right over here. Just a standard mouse carrying case. It says Logitech on here. Is that branded with the 502? They also added in here. Oh my lord! They also added in here so many cool things. I am blown away by this. I know it was their 10-year anniversary of the 502. Best mouse ever made. Once again, pick yours up. Let me know which one you like. But they also dropped off here a large cloth gaming mouse 640 SE. Does it say what type it is? This is a large, but did they say what like the color name? Is there a color name for this? Because this looks like the color that they showed off in the when they announced the first 502. Anyway, this is how it looks. That's the color brand right there. Is this it right there? What? Did I miss that? No. Anyway, there's a color brand right over there as well. Such a good color. You may have seen it from their marketing with their other when they announced the 502. I can't speak because there's just so much stuff. So much stuff. The cat approves, by the way. SP approves. She's on the box as we speak. Then, okay. I don't want to open this. I don't want to open this box. 10-year anniversary 502 box. I believe it's probably the same model as this one, but this one's a little bit special because this is a limited edition. And I can't believe I'm opening this. I can't believe I'm opening this. But all right, here we go. Here we go. I want to hold this box up because here's the 502 right over here. Oh my sweet lord. Look. Let me get closer here. I have to get closer here. We gotta get closer here. All right. Look at this mouse. Look at this beauty right here. I don't even want to touch it. Look at how good looking this mouse is, chat. I'm saying chat like if I'm live right now. But you're right, you're my chat right now. It's exactly like the X line right here. With the X, and this is actually like in like a little branding right here, like an emboss, I would say. Look at that. Let's get a nice close up of that. Look at that. Limited edition mouse right over here. And not only does it light up? I want to slowly peel this off. I don't even want to use this mouse. It's so neat. I don't even want to use it. I just want to turn it on. Can I turn it on from here? I think I can. Oh, it's on. Okay. It is on. There it is. Just like that. Special edition. Right there. Limited edition 10-year. Congrats to 10 years, Logitech. One of your best gaming mice out there. This one is special because I believe, and I'll be cutting away to this, if you plug it in to G-Hub, let me see. Where are you at, G-Hub? That's right, there it is. If you, oh my God. If you connect this to G-Hub, it will say 10-year edition, and it will also be light. It has like a nice little gold covering as well. I'll show a nice little screenshot for you guys right over here. But that is so cool. Right next, there's a nice comparison as well. G502 Plus 10-year edition. Jeez, this looks so good. Oh my God! Wait a second! Hold the phone! We got a little animation here. I didn't know I was gonna do that. Let me I had to capture this for you guys. This is how it looks. Look at that. Look at that beauty. That is so cool. That's so cool. I like that. To commemorate the 10-year anniversary of the 502, Logitech has created the special series of a 502 Plus gaming mouse limited to just 502 pieces. I wish this mouse was like, this is mouse 1, this is mouse 2, you know, that'd be cool. It's a gaming mouse with unrivaled performance, technical innovation, and design excellence. That is absolutely amazing. So cool. Thank you so much, Logitech, for including me in your celebration. Logitech already knows how much I love my 502 mouse, and I'm so thankful to be part of this celebration as well. If you have yet to pick up your own 502, what are you waiting for? Honestly, what are you waiting for? Pick up your own 502 mouse. Let me know which one's been your favorite throughout the 10 years as well. And you know what? Just keep playing, everybody. Thank you so much, Logitech, once again. And as always, everyone, have yourself a damn good one. Oh yeah, one more thing. There's also a cup. There's also a 502 cup. Can't forget about the cup. Cups are always needed. You know what? Logitech makes some great cups as well. I don't know if they sell these in their store or anything like that, but this is a good mug right here. This will keep your drinks nice and cool or warm as well. You know, 10-year anniversary to that as well. All right, now I'm done. As always, everyone, have yourself a damn good one. Oh, we're not done. We're not done. I thought we were done. We're not done. Oh. There's a reason why they said lift out. And I was wondering why they're telling me to lift this out. This is how everything showed up, by the way. One hell of a presentation. We ain't done. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Wow. Okay. I thought we were done. It keeps going. It keeps going. I gotta be careful with this. It does tell you the number. It does tell you the number. Bro. Oh my God. Logitech, what are you doing right now? Here you go, everyone. 502. Hand numbered, limited edition, anniversary print. You wanna know what number I am? You wanna know what number I am? You wanna know? Out of this print right, there's 250 of these prints. 142. 142. I gotta, man, I need to hang this up, man. I thought we were done. Okay. Logitech, outdid yourself. This is a wonderful, I can't thank you enough. Honestly, I can't thank you enough, Logitech, for having me a part of the celebration. All right, I think officially now, I don't think there's any other secrets. Happy 502 anniversary, Logitech. And as always, have yourself a damn good one, everyone.